For sewists, a good iron can make or break your project. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, you need an iron that is reliable and easy to use. The Panasonic Cordless 360-degree Freestyle Iron is designed with the needs of everyday sewists in mind. It's the perfect iron for pressing and steaming your garments. It will make all your knee-made projects or store-bought garments look amazing. And look, no cord. The 360-degree turning ratio is perfect for getting wrinkles out of your longer pattern pieces. That's because it charges from the base, which has a retractable reel that neatly stores the power cord. The nickel-coated sole plate glides so smoothly across any fabric. The precision tips are perfect for creating crisp pleats and princess seams. And don't forget buttons. Filling the iron with water is so easy. Just press the button and detach the tank. With a push of a button, the iron's vertical steam feature directs a full burst of steam to relax and remove wrinkles in hanging garments. For different materials, just select the temperature setting for the fabric you're ironing. To maintain the proper temperature, place the iron back in the base. And once your garments are complete, you can use this iron on the go. The heat-resistant carrying case allows you to store it while it's hot. This iron is so light and portable, you'll wonder how you lived with cords before.